There are a number of different ways of accessing your remote classes. One such way is navigating to the turnercollege.ie homepage. Here you'll find a number of different links, including one for your Office 365 account, which incorporates your email, Teams, Word, etc. You may choose, of course, to download apps. This is just one such way. Clicking on that link will bring you to your Microsoft 365 login detail page. You'll need to enter your Return Your College email followed by your password, clicking on Next and following the options. Although your Office 365 apps may look a little different, this is generally what you will have. A number of common Office 365 applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, along with, of course, Class Notebook, Teams, and Outlook. Two really important ones in the context of your online classes are, of course, Teams and Outlook. These need to be checked daily.